Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the Samsung Galaxy A35 is salted to hit the global market in 3 new awesome colors, new model, latest features, launch date and so on. This year, Samsung is opening a new era of budget king mobile phones in the shape of the new Galaxy A series 2024. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Rumors of the multi-region launch for the Samsung Galaxy A35 as a new 5G Android smartphone are gaining speed, with reports of another new national telecommunication certification for the upcoming device. Meanwhile, it is said to have introduced the latest range of its lineup, awesome colorways, and may have also returned to the Geekbench with more RAM than before. According to Thailand's NBTC has just provided even more evidence that Samsung's A35 6e DS will launch as the Galaxy A35 5G soon. The same regional variant is also thought to launch in India soon, and according to another new leak, might do so with up to 8GB of RAM. The new Galaxy A35 5G has hit to Geekbench before, albeit as the A35 6U, with what seems to be the Exynos 1380 chipset. Now it have done so again as the A35 6E with the same processor and Android 14 based ROM, but with 8GB of RAM rather than the 6GB of RAM. The spec bump has of course given it a performance boost, although the different SKUs will most likely emerge looking the exact same. On that note, the new Galaxy A35 5G is now set to be debut with Samsung's key island design in 3 colors that, while still awesome, are different from those of the Galaxy A34 5G. They are now set to go to the market as awesome navy, possibly also featured in the smartphone's recent NRRA filing, and also on this Galaxy A25 5G from Amazon.in, awesome ice blue and awesome lilac, the latter of which seems to be slightly old-fashioned gradient rather than a paler awesome violet. The Galaxy A35 5G is thus now salted to be unleashed on at least one regional market in these updated shades with 6 to 8GB of RAM very soon. The new Samsung Galaxy A35 will receive a chipset whose processor performance will be 20% faster than its predecessor. They also promise a 6.6 inches AMOLED screen with FHD plus resolution and a frame rate of 120Hz. The cutout for the front camera sensor will change. There will also be a completely new rear camera with an advanced 50-megapixel sensor with OIS. The glass on the back side will probably change. The price of the smartphone will be around $370. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned.